Run.
Is this like a sequence, or is this that like transition life?
Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to a massive car meet. It's going to be insane. Apparently there's gonna be like 500 cars, but some people are speculating 1,000. The name of the event is Earthquake, and can't wait. Casper is gonna come pick me up. Then we're gonna go pick up Snowcat, who has been in the shop because there has been some weird grinding noises from the diff. We got in touch with DSS, Drive Shaft Shop, and they said that to continue with the break-in period and see what's up after that. They were really responsive when it came to any questions that we had, which is great. And yeah, so we're just waiting for Casper. I think he's gonna show up any second now.
How are you doing? I'm good.
Some really slow car parked in my spot. What the hell is this? We're in a Subaru for some reason. I don't know, it's very slow. Nope, don't feel anything. And we're going to this car meet, 500 plus cars. Mopar Group from Bahrain, Mopar Group from Saudi Arabia, a lot of Fords that we have to really be careful about because we are pedestrians.
Yes,
you need to pick up Snowcat from the shop.
Sorry, from where?
From the shop.
Why?
No, that's nothing. You just needed, you know, like some tweaks.
You're making fun of my car because it's slow, but where's your car again?
At least I have a reliable car for a daily.
Actually, you have sorry, oh, copyright. You have the most unreliable car as the most reliable car as your daily.
Driver to the garage.
I'm on the way. Actually, you know how many times I've taken you to the garage in this car? You should be more grateful about this car.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice. What did I
This car could be faster though.
Okay, it's getting there. I'm taking my shades for this. You'll be made aware of very soon what the hell I'm going to do with this car.
He's gonna blow it up. That's what he's gonna do.
3 weeks later.
Bad bitch! See, she's not in the shop, she's outside the shop, so it's fine. Every time he does a walk around, he just completely forgets about his car.
Hey, don't even think about that. Don't even say that.
See, like, you're supposed to leave your car and always look back and be like, yeah, no, you're just, the first thing you did is look at my car, because she's beautiful.
Look at that jacket, that's what you need.
This is a nice jacket, man. I know I'm gonna get so much hate for this jacket. Oh, look at the caddy. This car is fully restored and it's actually for sale as well. So if you want to find out pricing, more information about this car. Yeah. Well, yeah, we'll link it in the site in the future, but in the meantime, drop a comment or message me on Instagram, Snowcat SRT. Get that Subi out of the way. This is muscle territory. So we got the car parked here behind me, and we're waiting for the rest of the Mopar Group to show up. Everyone's just parking on the side of the road, meeting up with their groups. Everyone wants to roll in together, and that's what we're gonna do as well. Wrong petrol station! We're gonna go to a different spot where the rest of the Mopar gang is. We're gonna head out from there. Ah, there they are. Holy shit, that's a lot of cars.
park like the regular people, man.
No, I'm filming this.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
There are way more Mopars than Mustangs or Camaros or anything. It's epic. So we're currently in this massive traffic jam. I think we sort of caused it. Mopars everywhere. Oh man, this is pretty dope. Turn the GoPros off. When we start moving again, I'll turn them back on.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
I really don't know him, but
I
like,
know, that's funny. He's so white guy. He's like, hey, you're your friend.
no, there was a few guys that were driving by. They were like, oh, very nice car.
Oh, you got the Jeep squad here.
Jeeps on Jeeps on Jeeps on Jeeps.
Oh yeah.
That's badass. You know what I just thought of?
No.
You think getting in was hard?
Oh, that's gonna be hilarious.
Yeah. Oh man.
Check out the
Oh, you got your little soupy gang.
amongst his homies. This is like very hard. This is something very Soupy gang, soupy gang, soupy gang, soupy gang, soupy gang. Which one is yours?
Oh, it's here.
86 gang.
Right, sir.
Supras, more Supras, and more Supras. How many R34s are there here?
Huge number.
Oh my god. Just doesn't end. It just goes all the way down. It's crazy. I had no idea that there were this many. You see like a video of an R34 and it's like, wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, exactly.
Like here's
you have
just like
no idea there's a whole army.
this just doesn't end. Just keeps on going. Oh, they got the older ones there. The Skyline. I know. They're like. These aren't really impressive when you have that many Skylines. Corvettes. Absolutely insane. I'm lost for words. It's just like there's gonna be a little bit of cars. We're at the SMS stand. Drag car, obviously. Mark 7. And these are the muscle cars we saw earlier. I did not expect that. My ears are basically dead. I really did not expect that to happen. It's basically really, really nice cars. Then you have like the drift, like tuned cars, and then you have what the fuck. Like a fucking riot. My ears are gone. My ears are gone. Shit, man. That was some loud car. Like I was covering my ears, and still I could feel it like through my chest.
This, I think, rather defeats the point of practicality.
That's very practical.
You can just turn it around whenever you want to. Yeah.
Alright, so some people are already leaving the event. Unfortunately, we got here a bit late because we were stuck in that traffic jam for like 2 hours. But I'm still trying to cope with all the cars that are here, and the fact that there's like the community here is so massive and the car scene is just bigger than I anticipated.
Can I say something? Join into this conversation. So I was talking to a couple of guys before. This has been the biggest turnout of an earthquake car event for the last 4 years. Genuinely.
Yeah, it's just massive. And like when they said that, oh yeah, there's gonna be like a couple of 100 cars.
We were just like,
Yeah, whatever, man. That's not happening. And then when you roll up, it's just everything. Something that also surprised me is the amount of Holdens here. Holden, out of all cars. Pretty insane. Corvettes. Mustangs. Oh, this is one really clean engine bay right here. I don't think my engine bay has ever been this clean. It's me while B5 and Snowcat. I'm gonna be heading out. This event has been absolutely insane. It's really cold and windy. That's why I got this ridiculous cat on my head. But it has been absolutely blast to come here, and just the turnout is unbelievable. So as Casper said earlier, the biggest turnout in 4 years, and I don't think they really expected this many cars to come. And but that's a good thing, you know, like next year's gonna be even bigger. Oh, it's been amazing. So we're gonna head back home soon and say bye to the Mopar gang. Hopefully we can get this going on more often. Alright guys, we're back in the office. I didn't show you everything because there were just so many cars there. Oh my god. And like, I tried to show you the best of the best, but there's some things I still missed out. The video was pushing like 30 minutes or something, so I had really tried to cut down and show you the best parts possible. But either way guys, thank you for watching. If you like this upload, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, take care, have a great day. Let me know down in the comment sections what I could have done better, because these events are very difficult to sort of capture. I'm still trying to figure it out, but thank you guys for staying and watching to the end. See you later.